Need a specific hydraulic or industrial hose assembly? Let our team of professional pneumatic and fluid power technicians create a custom hose assembly made to your exact specifications. In a hurry? We offer same-day pickup at our convenient on-site retail store. From low-pressure air and water to hazardous chemical transfer, our quality products will meet all your pneumatic fluid and material conveyance needs. And with available stock of bulk hose, ends, and fittings, we will ensure you have the right hose assembly on time, every time, stamped for your approval. John Henry Foster, Custom Hose Assemblies.